G'day, this is Lincoln Teaches, and we're going to show you a little video on how to put a watermark into your Google Docs document, as well as how to edit it. Let's begin. So, first thing we need to do is open a new tab. We're going to do that. We're going to open Docs, and we're going to open a blank page. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to type. I usually find it's best to type the information you want first, so that way when you add the watermark you can see how it impacts your document, what things might need to be changed, because text is on top of images you weren't aware were going to happen, as opposed to putting the image in first and working with it there. So let's type our document. Once upon a time I wanted to put text on top of a watermark. Yay me. Okay, and I'm just going to put that in a number of spots so you can see what happens to this document, or the impact of the document when I put a watermark in on the actual text. Is it visible enough? From there I'm going to insert a watermark, so I go to your insert ribbon or drop down menu, whatever you want to call it, click on watermark. Select image, I go to browse. Now I usually find it smart to put all documents you're going to work on your desktop. That way they're very easy to find. And I'm going to choose my document and I'm going to press done. Okay, so assuming I don't want to edit it, I'm done. However, when I'm looking at this, I might decide, hey, you know what? The text on top of the document, it's not clear enough, and it's very distracting, and so I don't want that. And so let's choose the document, and when I right click on the document, select watermark, you'll see a number of options come up. The one I want is at the very bottom, which says edit watermark, and I'm going to click on that. Now it gives me a few options. If I click more image options, it'll give me even more, and what I really want is the transparency option. As you can see, if I move that along, okay, it'll automatically change how bright or dark it is. Okay, the brightness and contrast do other changes, which I will show in another video, but this one's just to show what I can do with the transparency. So I'm going to move it to about 70 some odd %. I'm going to put, hey, I'm good with this, and I now have a document that if I were to print, I can easily see my text on top of the watermark, but the watermark is still there. This is Lincoln Teaches. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in a future video. Later.